Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to mine DogeCoin on a Mac M1. For this purpose, we're going to use the Coinomi wallet, which has a great user interface. It's available for Windows, Mac, and you can also download the application for iOS. Let's get started. Okay, so the first step that we need to take is we need to download a wallet so that we can receive all of our DogeCoin. Before we start mining, it is important that we can receive our crypto and keep it safe in a wallet. For this, we're going to use the Coinomi wallet. I like this wallet because it's simple to use, it's easy, and it has a great user interface. You can also store other cryptos aside from DogeCoin. Coinomi wallet is available for Android, iOS, Mac OS, and it's also available for Windows and Linux. So let's go ahead and we're going to click on the download button, and we're going to scroll down to Coinomi wallet for Mac OS. For this, it requires Mac OS Sierra 10.10 and above. Let's go ahead and click download, and we're going to wait a couple of seconds until the install downloads to our Mac. Once the download is completed, let's go ahead and open it. We're going to drag the Coinomi wallet app over to the application folder. Once we've dragged it, let's go ahead and check that it's on our apps list. We see it down here on the bottom right corner. We're going to double click it to open it. And it's going to ask, or it's going to say, Coinomi wallet is an application downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? And we're going to click open. Okay, so this is where we're going to create a new wallet. I already have a Coinomi wallet that I use for iOS, but for this purpose, we're going to create a new one. Coinomi is going to give you a wallet recovery phrase. This recovery phrase is so that you can access your Coinomi wallet. Without these phrases, if you forget them, you can no longer have access to your wallet, and therefore you will lose all of your crypto. This is why it's very, very important that you write down these words, write them down on a notebook or a piece of paper that you won't lose, and keep it somewhere safe. Once you have written down all the words, you can go ahead and click next. And then it's going to say, please confirm your recovery phrase by clicking the words in the right order. So let's go ahead and confirm them. Once we have all of our words in order, we can then click next. Now we're going to create a passphrase to access our Coinomi wallet. Coinomi accepts a great variety of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Altcoin, Algorand. It also accepts Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, but for this tutorial, we're just going to click on DogeCoin. Later on, if you want to go back and select other cryptos, you can do so that you can also store them in your wallet. Let's go ahead and click next. We're going to read the legal disclaimer and then click accept. And here we are. So as you can see, it has a great simple user interface. Now that we have created our Coinomi wallet to store our crypto, we can then move on to the next step. Next, we're going to download the actual program that's going to do the mining. For this, we're going to the GitHub website, and we're going to download XmRiG macOS ARM64 if you're running on a Mac M1. If you have a Mac that's running on Intel, you're going to download macOS x64. Now we can go ahead and open the XmRiG folder and drag it over to the applications. I will provide a link that will take you directly to the GitHub website so that you can download the program. Okay, for this next step, we're going to configure the miner. and we're going to need a few pieces of information from unmineable.com. So let's go to Unmineable, and then we're going to scroll down to DogeCoin. Select DogeCoin. Let's go ahead and scroll down. We're going to select Random X CPU. We're going to need this information here. This is the server. And we're going to also add this information, the symbol for the asset that we want to get paid in this case it'll be Doge. And then we're also going to need the address for our wallet, the one we created on Coinomi. And then the last section, and we're just going to put a name for the worker. So it can, like if you're mining from a MacBook, you put MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, whatever it is. And I'll show you how to do this in a little bit. So let's just keep this page handy. We'll keep it aside. Let's go over to this next page here. We're going to open the XmRiG folder, and the configuration file is going to be config.json. We're going to right click and open with text edit. Once we open with text edit, we're gonna set it aside. I'm actually gonna do a quick split screen here so it can be seen better. Oops, let me go back. Let's see here. There it is. Okay, there you go. So I have a split screen. I have Unmineable on one side, and then I have the text file on the right hand side. And so what we want to do is on the text file, we want to scroll down to a section that says pools. So it'll be this section here. So pools, and then right underneath we see that it says algo null. We're going to change that. So let's go ahead and delete null, and we're going to put a quotation mark, and we're going to put RX /0 quotation mark. Second, we're going to change the URL. So in where it says donate.v2.xmrig.com 333, we're going to delete this section here, and we're going to copy the URL from this server here, which is rxunmineable.com 3333. So I have that copy. Let's go back here to the text for the URL. We're going to do copy and paste. Next, we're going to go down here to user, and we're going to put our crypto wallet address. So let's go ahead and delete this section here. And just how it shows us here on the side, first it's going to be the asset symbol, then our address, and then our work name. So let's go ahead and type in Doge. That's the coin that we want to receive. And then you're going to paste your wallet address here where you're going to receive your crypto. I'm just typing in random letters for mine for right now, just for demonstration purposes. And then I'm going to put dot, and then I'm just going to name the worker. So for mine, I'll just put like MacBook Air. I'll put MBA since that's the computer that I'm using. But if you're using like a MacBook Pro, maybe you can use MVP. It really doesn't matter. It's just the name. Okay, so that's all you have to change. So remember this section here, algo, RX forward 0, and don't forget to put the quotation marks. And then we also gotta make sure that this one has been changed. And of course, where it says user, you put Doge, and then your wallet address, and then the dot, and then the name of the worker. The wallet address, you can get it from Coinomi. There's a section that says receive. You just copy it, and then you paste it here, right there. Okay, so that's all. Let's go ahead, and now we can go ahead and close this. Okay, so now we're going to finally start mining some Doge. We're going to open XmRiG, double click on it. It's going to open the command prompt, and you can see that the computer has started to mine some Doge. Now you're not going to start mining hundreds of Doge immediately. It is quite a process. It's going to take a while, and depending on your computer, it might take days to even mine one Doge. I think mine is estimating 1 Doge per day. But at least this way now you know how to mine some Doge on your spare time, or if you just want to leave your computer running so it can mine, you can start doing that now. Okay, so now that we want to check our status, let's go to unmineable.com. We're going to scroll down to DogeCoin. We're going to double click on it, select random X, and then on the right hand side there's a section that says enter your address to check your stats. So on here, you're going to copy and paste your Doge address. So now that you have entered your Doge address, let's go ahead and search, and we're going to check the status to see how many Doge we have received. As you can see, I've been mining on and off for 2 days, and I still haven't received a full DogeCoin, but it's in the process. And once you get to 30 Doge, it will automatically pay you out to your address. Just click pay now, and it'll send that Doge to your crypto wallet. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps.